In today's video, I'm going to teach you steps to create a free website on WordPress. Before we get started, make sure to hit like, subscribe, and turn on the notification bell so you never miss a new tutorial. If you find this video helpful, don't forget to drop a comment below. I'd love to hear your thoughts and questions. We'll start by creating a WordPress.com account. Open your browser, head to WordPress.com, and click Get Started. Follow the prompts to sign up, using a secure password. You'll be asked a few quick questions about your site's purpose and your experience level. These simply help tailor recommendations. When you're offered plan options, choose the free plan so you can publish without paying. Once you're in, you'll land on your dashboard, which is the control center for everything you build. Next, choose your domain. In the domain search, type a name that reflects your project or brand. You'll see suggestions and availability. For a no-cost setup, select the free WordPress.com option. Aim for something short, memorable, and easy to spell. Don't stress if you're unsure. You can adjust your domain later, and you can set a site title and tagline that further explain what your site is about. Now, add pages. From the dashboard, go to Pages and create essentials like Home, About, and Contact. Use the built-in templates to save time and maintain a clean layout. Keep each page focused. A clear headline, a brief introduction, and any key sections readers need. Publish pages as you complete them, or save drafts and use the preview button to check your work on desktop and mobile. Then, customize your website. Navigate to Appearance to pick a theme that suits your style or niche. Activate one you like, and open the editor or customizer to fine-tune colors, fonts, and spacing. Upload a logo or site icon, add a header image, and make sure your navigation menu links to the pages you just created. Decide whether your homepage should be a static page, which is great for a traditional website, or show your latest posts if you're emphasizing the blog. Preview frequently to ensure everything looks good across devices. Finally, write your first blog post. Go to Posts and click Add New. Give it a clear, descriptive title and start writing in the block editor. Break up text with headings, images, and short paragraphs for readability. Set a featured image, choose a category, and add a few tags to help readers discover your post. When you're happy with it, preview, then click Publish to make it live. And that's it. You've created a free website on WordPress, chosen your domain, added pages, customized the look, and published your first post. Keep refining your pages, update your menu as your content grows, and return to the editor anytime to tweak your design. Your site will evolve as you do, and WordPress makes it simple to keep improving. If this tutorial helped you, give the video a thumbs up and share it with someone who might need it. Don't forget to subscribe for more productivity tips and Notion tutorials. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.